What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Genting Highlands, or Genting Highlands 2022 Genting SkyWorlds pre-opening. This video was requested to us by Grace Suisse. I'm hoping that I pronounced that correctly. Thank you so much for the suggestion, guys. If you want to shout out like Grace Suisse got, and you want to see us react to a video that you want to see us react to, then share the link to the video in our Discord. The link to our Discord is in the description. We'd love to have you guys in there and communicate with all of our friends from around the world that we've made throughout this YouTube journey that we've got going on. Guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel already, know that we are traveling to Malaysia in a couple of months, and just know it. No. And the content that we're going to be able to create, in my opinion, if it goes the way that I think it's going to go, is going to be phenomenal. Amazing content. So I really hope that you guys can come along with us on that journey. Also, if you're from Malaysia or any part of the world, if you're from Malaysia specifically, let us know what state or city that you live in down in the comments. And if you're not from Malaysia, let us know what country and area you live in as well. We are very interested in knowing.
And we are trying to hit 100,000 subscribers, which is every bit a part of what, 28,000?
28,000 within the next 2 months.
2 months. So I don't know why we're shooting for that. It just seems like a cool goal.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind, if you haven't subscribed,
cool to land in Malaysia with 100,000 subscribers,
and we're just waiting for our plaque in the mail while we're in Malaysia.
Yeah,
that'd be dope.
That would be so
get
cool.
home, do a live stream opening up our plaque.
That would be cool.
So that would be awesome,
guys. Please help us along this journey. I mean, our current subscribers, you guys are amazing, and we truly appreciate all the support that each and every one of you give us, and we hope that our new subscribers can be there as well along with us on this journey. Guys, give us a like on this video. It truly helps us out in getting these videos out to a wider audience, and if you want to support us directly and get a YouTube short shout out exclusively to you, click the join button down below. So let's check out Genting Highland.
Let's do it. I did see this video pop up in our subscription feed on YouTube, and I was going to say, hey, we need to react to this, but it's brand new,
right? And
you don't want to, that's their,
don't want to take away from
his
stuff. And also, guys, this is Skyrun that posted this. If you're not already subscribed to Skyrun and you live in Malaysia or anywhere around the world, his videos are so beautiful and so cinematic and just serene. This is something that you could put on your TV with guests over, on a low volume, with the music playing in the background, and it's so serene and just amazing.
Now, what he needs to do, in my personal opinion, because he's so good at what he does, he needs to travel. He needs to get out, because I'd love to see Paris this. I feel like he could get the city,
the world to watch you.
Yeah. I think
Skyrun, you're already so amazing.
Yeah, you're fantastic. Yeah. We'll never say anything bad about you. Trust me. His intro got so sick.
Yeah, and I love your new intro.
Yes. We're trying to work on ours.
Patron. Yeah, we will have a new intro coming out in the near future. And obviously, we've got the new intro that we have currently that's not new anymore.
Skyrun. What was that thing at the end? I was floating up in the air.
That?
Yes.
That's a stock pot. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what this is.
It's flying, bro.
It looks like a cooking pot.
It does. I agree. Let us know.
Yeah. Perched at the peak of Gunung Ula Kali at 1,800 meters high, about 35-kilometer drive for KL City. And the view from this area is so spectacular.
I've heard, but it didn't look like it. You remember those apartments that were super spooky?
The haunted hotels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They said that they had shut those down where people couldn't stay there anymore.
I heard that as well.
We probably read it together.
Probably. This is something that I do want to visit, even though obviously this is going to be super touristy.
Yeah. But it's very unique.
Yeah, I mean, it's they've put so much work and effort into.
And they said that it's worked with like
place.
Warner Bros. Or something like that.
Mm-hmm. Or Disney or something.
Oh,
Disney.
he's physically filming right here.
Oh yeah.
That's not physically filming.
I mean, it's gonna be such a hot spot. An amazing location, especially for family.
Look at that.
The adventure begins.
Oh my gosh.
And this is their pre-opening, so they were having guests here to come check it out, like a certain group
Type
of people. I assume.
yeah.
Like Skyrim.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
I wish they would let you fly your drone inside there. Go all the way to the top and come down. Oh, that'd be so cool. Look at that, like a honeycomb.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. I feel like that's all we're going to see in this whole video. It's
oh
so
my
gorgeous.
gosh. We got to get there. When we go to KL, we need to go here.
Yeah. Ride some rides.
I'd be down. I love rides. I like riding too. Cars, planes, trains.
Tattoo shop.
I wonder if there's a real tattoo shop there.
I can't remember what they said that this little strip was based off of, but it's based off of a specific city or something. Global Defense.
Bubbly water.
It just looks like such a enjoyable place to go.
Everybody's like filming. E50. Sounds like sporting brand.
Central Park Gardens. That's beautiful.
You see how hard go back when it does the water view, you see how hard YouTube is trying to, because the camera can handle it. It's YouTube can't handle all that water. That's a lot of digital movement. And you see how it pixelates everything in front too. Mm-hmm. Like, it's just crazy how that works. It's a lot of processing.
That is amazing. It's like walking into Willy Wonka's factory.
Oh, yeah.
With all those colors and everything.
The big picture. Galaxy Store.
That's a, no, it's not.
It's a Harley.
No, that's not a Harley. That looks like a Suzuki M109. But it's not. I don't
like
think.
A Boulevard.
Yeah.
Golden Cafe. Garage. So I think
this is supposed to be based off of something.
It looks like it's based off of something in the U.S.
No, that's what I'm saying. I think it is.
Because all this stuff is like very Central Park and Golden and Golden Gate.
Eagle Mountain.
81. That's like our signage.
Right.
Science, culture. Fish and chips. Not American.
This is so awesome. Night at the
museum. What? Oh yeah, because it's based off of the movies.
Yeah.
It wasn't Fox. I forgot what it was. But I was going to say something.
You must have, because you paused the video.
I don't remember. Had it itch in my ear. That's literally the thing. So is it?
I think it's got legit museum stuff in it, probably.
Probably.
But they named it Night at the Museum. This is going to be such a popular destination.
Oh yeah, this is so well done. New Year's or New York
Probably New Year's.
in the sky.
New Year in the sky.
I was gonna say because New York doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Ah, sweet water
awesome.
show. We're going to this.
Yeah. I'll bet when these lights are lit up and everything, different colors, it looks
Yeah.
cool.
I like the retroness.
Yeah. Cosmic Cafe.
Oh, I think it's one of those Chinese lantern shows. Let's say Freedom Cafe.
Yeah.
Classic burgers. I wouldn't mind trying that there, to see how
yeah.
it is.
That was so good.
Skyrun, I want one of those shirts.
Yeah.
2016, that was a while ago.
Yeah.
It still looks good.
Yeah, I want a Skyrun shirt. I wonder if he sells Skyrun shirts.
If he doesn't, that's your
there.
next step, Skyrun.
Guys, go click his subscribe button.
If you haven't already, I have a
Yeah.
feeling a lot of our viewers have.
He's most definitely going to be linked in this video. Let's see. Skyrun Malaysia shirt.
I don't think so.
I don't think you could get one. At least we can.
That's what you need to do.
Skyrun.
We
At
would,
least sell us some shirts.
yes, we
Let
would
us
buy.
some shirts from
We'd
you.
be more than happy.
I would rep you everywhere.
I want to fly that FPV too.
Yeah.
Don't let me.
Yeah, we'll break it.
But no, this place looks phenomenal. So just like what we've said before, we don't really want to go to a lot of the touristy spots. But I don't know if I would consider.
Well, the thing is like this
God,
is
I got,
always
you got
gonna be-
really loud. This is what.
This is always going to be touristy because of what it is, but at the same time,
You
with
can't-
it just opening, it's an icon.
Yeah,
Just like PNB, it's
touristy.
it's about to be finished, and it's going to gain a lot of. It's always going to have a lot of attention.
Yeah,
But-
just like anything in like Chicago, like the
Right.
the big
But
tall
it's going to
towers.
have to be visited. The Petronas Towers, huge icon. It's got to be visited, no
Yeah.
matter how touristy it is. It has
Yeah.
to be visited. These are things that you
It's like
have
going to
see.
Florida and skipping Disney World
Right.
or Disney World.
Yeah.
It's a must.
100%. So we would prefer to go to a lot of places that are lesser populated,
Or
like
lesser well known.
right, like a
Less
like a,
less well
a
known.
really beautiful area, natural scenery, historic stuff,
Water.
that is beaches that aren't super well known, but these are must dos.
Yeah, this
When
is
we go to KL, this is something.
because isn't there like a Disney World Japan, I think, or Disneyland or something like that?
I don't know.
Walt Disney of Japan. And like, yes, we could go to Florida, but how often are you going to go to visit Japan and be able to go place like that? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's you're able to try something new in a different place, try something the same in a different place.
Yeah.
So it seems really cool. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you want to support us directly, hit that join button. And with that being said,
My name is Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.